You are going to love the 2018 Mercedes-Benz SLC. The highly recognizable Mercedes-Benz SLC offers significantly optimized technology and a ride that will surely leave you begging for more. Couple this with the safety features you've come to expect from Mercedes-Benz, and you have yourself a vehicle that you'll be itching to get behind the wheel of. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible hardtop, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, rear fog light. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.